If you are obsessed with air fryer cooking, you need to try this banana bread in an air fryer. Chop some toasted walnuts and coat them with a tablespoon of the flour you're using for the bread. Keep it aside, and now in another bowl, mash a banana, the riper the good. Add sugar, oil, vanilla extract and mix again. Also add some milk and mix again with a wire whisk. Now place a sieve on top and add the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Sift them together and then combine them with a wire whisk. Add the chopped walnuts and combine again with a spatula. Once everything is mixed properly, transfer the batter to a 6 by 3 inch loaf pan that is greased and lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle some more toasted walnuts on top. Now bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes in an air fryer or until the skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Once baked, carefully remove the pan and let it cool for 15-20 minutes before you demold it. Then cut into slices once cool and then enjoy.